focus of this tour is about COVID-19. We're going to show you the history and the story of how Taiwan and its people, its government, fight against the disease and actually did a pretty good job among the world. 17 years ago, we had an epidemic called SARS. That's why we don't have problem wearing masks. We learned that washing our hands often and wearing masks actually helps us against this kind of coronavirus. I like to call the team of our government who help us fight all this the preventers. A lot of politicians in Taiwan, they have a medical background. And that is no coincidence. I'll talk more about it later. A lot of intellectuals in Taiwan have medical background. This history actually traces back to Japanese era, because at that time, this is the best institution. For this hospital, the initial budget was 2.6 million. They even put more budget than the presidential building.